Communication is the foundation of excellent teamwork, and teamwork should be simple. For product and technology team, having a fully functional Notion workspace can save time and effort in configurations. Discover the easiest way to create your very own Notion and work the way you want it to. A platform designed with innovative features that cater to your specific needs and make it easy for you to set up your own product management techniques that can be helpful for your team. Let me show you a fantastic deal on software that is a must-have for every product and tech team. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. ProductOS is a fully functional Notion workspace for product and technology teams. Jira, Trello, ProductBoard, and your current Notion are all replaced. Innovative product management techniques. It saves you weeks of Notion configurations. ProductOS has an OKR management and epics management. With ProductOS, anyone can contribute ideas and problems. It can help you with sprints and backlog and making elegant teams' homepage. ProductOS can assist you with advice on how to do stuff, how to construct OKR, why roadmaps are bad, how many bug tickets should be added in a sprint, are just some of the features of ProductOS. ProductOS is the ideal Notion workspace for building your steadfast product and tech team. It's never been easier to create and align individual goals to org objectives and promote execution with constant feedback, thanks to a variety of product possibilities and a simple layout. ProductOS lifetime deal starts at only $6 to $5. Grab this great deal and create your powerful product and tech team now. If you like what you hear about ProductOS, check out more details in the description below. Go through our collection of current software lifetime deals, available on the right side of your screen. You will definitely find a software solution that suits you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to get our latest software deals with great discounts. See you next time.